Did you know you can get a VR headset for your Nintendo Switch? Yeah, this little baby here, Nintendo Switch. I've got one. Well, actually, it's not mine. It's my grandchild's. It's his. And he's let me borrow it so that I can do an unboxing of a VR headset. This little baby here. Yeah. I didn't even know I'd done a VR headset. And I know some other people who have Nintendo Switches. They also didn't know that you can get a VR headset and had to Google it. So we've got one here to test. Now, one thing to bear in mind, they say it's not suitable for children under the age of 8, and that's what it says on there. 8 years old or above. So I think I'm alright, but my grandchild's a little bit too young. So it's a HD lens. Well, it says here HD lenses, because it's 2, of course, or more. It's supposed to be comfortable, ergonomic design, adjustable focal distance. Do you know what that means? Oh, actually, thinking about that, hopefully the individual eye adjustment, so you don't have to wear glasses, hopefully. So a quick look around the box, so it shows you all your adjustments on the side, and a bit of information on the back. Packaging includes one VR headset. So in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing, see exactly what you get, headset, and we're going to see how easy it is to connect and how comfortable it is to wear, and hopefully try out some games on it. But I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. In fact, I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to see it, but we will try our best to try and find a way, if possible, where you can see it. But I've got a feeling it might not come out very well, but we will see. So I'll shut up. With that, let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? So that is everything you get in the box. Obviously you get instructions, we love to hear from you, so they like a bit of feedback or something like that. We get a glass cleaner, little cloth, very nice, and the actual unit itself. Now, it is only plastic, and you would expect that anyway. Most of these VR headsets are plastic, but what we're going to be doing is seeing how easy it is to connect the Switch or connect it onto there, and looking at that I would say it's pretty easy, and how easy it is to set up and to wear. Right, what do I need to do? So it's got some covers on it. I've just noticed that. See that? Hopefully you can see that. Now, does that just peel off? Can't seem to get hold of that one. Oh, what's this? Yeah, I've got it. Oh, you can pull it out as well. Oh, different. Got it, that one as well. Cool, that's on tight. Right, so they're out. Let's see what happens. So, will they move in and out? Yes. Right, I'm with you. See that? Let's see if I can get this out of the way so you get a better look. Oh, that's not going to help. So, in and out, so you can adjust for each individual eye. So I shouldn't need glasses, hopefully, and that'd be your lateral left and rights. Obviously it's limited, well I hope it's obvious anyway, on adjustment. I will read the instructions in a bit, but I just wanted to play about with it first. And I'm taking it, you just plonk that in now, like so. Line her up and job done. It can't be that easy surely. I suppose it is, isn't it? Yeah, just line it up, it's a little bit out of line. About there. Don't forget it's made for the Switch, so it should be pretty easy to set up. Now, Velcro, as you would expect, both sides. And let's get that undone. Right, take my glasses off. Can you see me? I haven't got my glasses on. Oops, hang on. Oh, is my head too big? Oh, didn't do the top strap, did I? Where is it? There she is. That's better. Right, that wants to go about there. I'm guessing. I can't see nothing at the moment. That one to go about there, and then that one to go about. Oh, it's quite springy as well. About there. Right, comfortability. See, I'm just going straight for it. Now I can see some daylight. I don't know if that's behind me. It's quite heavy as well. So I think I want to make it a little bit tighter.
A few moments later.
Oh. How do I look? Do I look good? There's a bit of light coming through here, but like I said, I haven't read the instructions yet. Comfortable. I would say it's. I wouldn't say it's brilliant, but it's okay. Right, how's that? That's a bit better. Nearly blocked out all the lights. A little bit light over here somewhere. Where am I? Where am I? It's gone off again. Turn it on a second. Oh, you can't see the light now when you turn it on. Right, I'm going to have a play about of it because you need to get it comfortable. I wonder what the noise was, and the screensaver come on. Put my glasses back on because I've gone blind now. Yeah, obviously it's a little bit fiddly to set up. Well, alright, maybe not obviously. What I'm trying to say is, you've got to play about with it to get it right for you. But first impressions is okay. I'm not too sure about the nose bit at the moment. Will it work with glasses? In case someone needs to know whether it works with glasses. Let me just try it. Oh, actually, it works better. It feels more comfortable. I'm not joking. That is a lot better. I can see the light down here a little bit, but I don't think it'd be off-putting. Yeah, right down here. But like I said, I haven't read the instructions yet. Yeah, with glasses, I would actually say it's actually better. I've got to try it without glasses there. Can't believe that. Oh, it's gone to one side as well. I need to sort that out, don't I? Oh, actually, it's sort of settled down. That's really weird. I'll put my glasses back on. Right, I've got that bit skew-withed. So it's coming over there. I need it a bit even, don't I? So I need make that bit shorter. Not by much, but say like that. This one a bit longer to even it up. That's better. Yeah? It's gone the other way a little bit now, but I'm not worried. Take the glasses off. Don't want to break them. And oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of pressure on the nose, which I understand, because there is a lot of weight there, by the way. There is a lot of weight. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Right, I will have a read to the instructions, and I will try and find some sort of 3D image that I can put on there, just to see what she looks like in 3D. Like I said, I'm not really going to be able to show you. I mean, I can show you through the lenses sort of thing, but you're not going to see much. You're not going to get the full effect of me actually wearing it. But hopefully, we can sort something out. But first impression, it is heavy. Not that, the actual switch, yeah, it's quite heavy. And it pushes down. There's a lot of weight there. And that's down to the switch. But yeah, I think they've done quite a nice job actually. I'm quite impressed, especially with glasses on. You're going to break them, Yorkie? You're going to break them? Oh, I'm not. Get that down a bit like that. Find that better like that. And then pull that tighter like that. That's a lot better. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Can't believe I can wear my glasses. Yeah. So all those people need to wear glasses. Yeah, perfect. Or without. So with that, I'll see what I can sort out. I'll be back. what I've done, rather than download some games, because you've got to pay for them, and I will put a list of games in the actual video description in case you want to check them out. What I've done, I installed YouTube and put some demos on. Now, some of the demos don't work, they don't fit in there quite properly, but I found some good ones, and one of them's got a snake in it, comes right at you and it scares you. Yeah, it's really good. Now, you can't do the left and the right, you can only see what's coming at you because it's on YouTube and it's just a 3D image. But if you download the games, or one of the games, or some of the games, I believe you can look left, right and up and down and all sorts, and really get involved. But it works. Now let me just play, I think I've got this one set up. Let's see if I can show you before I put it back on. Are we doing adverts? Yeah, we've got an advert. Oh, here we go. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and do it so you can see it. Is it? Let's try the other camera. See that? Done the snake? Yeah, they've done the snake. Now, comfort wise, oops, I'm still playing about with it. Let me just stop that. It's easy to stop. The B button, it's easy to find buttons. I'm going to play it one again because I quite like this one. And it's a bit of pressure on the nose, top of the nose, but not too much. And head wise, very comfortable. Get out, snake. Get out. Oh. Yeah, it's a little bit sore on the nose, but that might be you need to do more adjustments. Apart from that, it's pretty good. I can't see any light except for down here where the nose is. You can see light coming through here. But it doesn't put you off the experience, and that's what you need. And yeah, I'm quite impressed. I didn't think the Switch could actually do 3D, but it does. Like I said, if I look left and right, it's just the same image straight at me, but it's in 3D. And it's easy to adjust as well. It's easy to find all the knobs. There's 3 knobs, 2 there, 1 there for your, 2 for your focus, and 1 to move the lenses in and out. There's a couple of butterflies flying about at the moment. Yeah, works really well. I'm quite impressed. Like I said, it is heavy as well. You've got to bear that in mind. It is heavy because it's not the headset that's heavy. It's the Switch. Like I said, here comes another snake. He's looking right at me. There's a monkey behind him. Can pull his tail on him because I watched this video earlier. Get out! He's there. He's there. Go on. You're scaring me. Bye. The monkey just pulled him and he just fell to the ground. Right, someone's throwing apples or oranges at the monkey and I'm not sure what they are. And they're going to start throwing them at me in a minute. Yeah, it's pretty good. I found it better without the glasses on. I know I said, you can wear the glasses and they seem to fit better. But they still seem to fit okay. Can you see that? Let's try my other camera. That? Yeah, for what it costs, I'm quite impressed. I'm quite impressed that it actually works. Like I said, I wasn't expecting it to work, or I didn't even know that you could get a 3D or a VR headset for the Nintendo Switch, but you can. So it definitely gets my thumbs up. But like I said, you do need to play about with getting the adjustments right so it's comfortable for your head, whatever size it is. And also, it does warn you, you should be over the age of 8 years old. It's from 8 onwards. So my grandson can't actually have a go. I did show him, but he wasn't interested anyway. So with that, if you're thinking about buying one, there's a affiliated link in the video description below. Check it out and you might enjoy it or not. And if you do buy one, please let us know what you think about it. It's only plastic. Wasn't expecting it to be anything else because I think they're all plastic, aren't they? With probably glass lenses. They might be even plastic, but I'm pretty sure, looking at them, they do look like glass. It's well made, it's well thought out, and it does the job. You know, you just need to get the straps right so it's fairly comfortable on your head. And there's a little bit like coming through the nose bit. It might be me having a big nose, I don't know. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to have another go now. I'm going to have a go with the glasses on. Just to try it out. Oh, I'm going to go back to Snake. I like Snake one. Did I tell you I like Snake one?